Yo, we back for another video. This is your boy RT. This is the Jack of All Trades channel, you dig? And we back for another video, man. I want to show y'all something. Try to make this video real quick, real sweet, real simple, you dig? So I broke the bolt on my oil cooler housing. I was trying to change the oil cooler gasket, and I really shouldn't even mess with it because I really didn't even need it. But I was trying to change out the gasket because I had a leak, and I was trying to change out all the possibilities, you know, fix all the possibilities. I got the transmission pan gasket replaced. I did well, I had an oil leak from the transmission pan gasket, or at least I thought, but the whole time it was coming from my oil pressure sensor. So I changed that. I fixed that leak. Excuse me. I changed that. I fixed that leak, and then so that leak was gone. So I still had a leak under my car, like towards the front by the oil pan. So first thing I did was trying to change out the oil pan, the oil cooler gasket. I was trying to change out the oil cooler gasket, was torquing up the bolts, and I'm gonna show you guys what happened. All right, guys, so this is what happened. I broke the bolt, as you see. I mean, I broke it in half, man. I mean, I really split this thing, and it really didn't feel like I was giving it any torque. It seemed like it wasn't tightening up. I seen a few videos on YouTube where people was going through the same thing, so I want to tell y'all how I got this screw out and what I did. So, okay, here we go. This is the new bolts you're gonna need once you get the screw out. Let's get this out the way. This is the new bolt you're gonna need right here. M6-1 × 30mm hex bolt. This is the exact bolt. The only difference is this bolt, as you can see, let's match it up real quick. As you can see, this bolt has a little part where there's no more threads. So try to put it directly against it so it can. It looked like that one a tad bit longer, but it's still. Yeah, that one looked like it's a tad bit longer, but this one still is the correct bolt. I put this in, it worked. It worked, no problem. So this is the bolt you're gonna need. Screenshot this. Screenshot that so you know. I picked it up from any auto parts store. You can get it from, I think I got it from Advance. You can pick it up from any auto parts store. This is the bolt you're gonna need, okay? Screenshot that. This is the bolt you're gonna need. All right, so how I got it out. Well, I didn't get it out. I had to pay a mechanic to get it out. Yeah, and it cost me $100 just to get this screw removed. And to be honest, I ain't even mad at paying $100 because this was a bitch. And I know on YouTube, the guys, there's a lot of videos with guys saying, hey, you should drill a hole into the screw and put the extractor bolt in there, punch it in there, and then screw it out or drill it out, whatever. None of that worked. None of that worked. And I tried to do it before the mechanic came. Didn't work. This bolt is entirely too small. So what he did was, the mechanic guy had a screwdriver, a punch. He was punching it like with a punch, like a hole puncher, like a sharp end like this. But between this, a sharp end like this, a punch, and the screwdriver, he got it out. Yeah, I can't really explain the technique exactly how he did it, but I know it was a screwdriver, and I know he had like a little punch, little thing that he was using, and yeah. But I'm sure that he tried to do the extractor way, you know, using the extractor bolt, but that didn't work. So this is what worked for me. I hope it helps somebody else. This is the screw again. That's the screw you're gonna need for the oil cooler bolts. I was gonna go to the junkyard, but it was a Sunday and just a lot going on. So I was like, man, I'm gonna go match this screw up at the auto parts store. When I matched it up, it matched up with this one. Matched up with this one, it worked perfect. So this is the bolt, and I think this is actually a better quality bolt, to be honest. But this is the bolt, man. This is the bolt for the oil cooler housing. If you're doing your oil cooler gasket and you broke the bolt, listen. And if you're doing your oil cooler gasket, man, if you please watch this video before you do your oil cooler gasket, because you cannot torque that thing down like super crazy. Like, I think it called for like 5 to 7 foot-pounds or something like that. I'm not sure. Check the torque specs on that bolt, man, on those bolts, because you do not want to break them. Trust me, it's gonna be a headache. It's gonna give you a literal headache. But yeah, man, do not torque them things down crazy. Just get it snug. Hand tighten it with your hand and snug it down with the wrench. Do not go to tightening and crazy. Do not. Because as I've been looking on YouTube, looking for this trying to do research on how to get this bolt out, I seen a lot of people broke the goddamn screws, man. So be very careful, man. Be very careful, man. Tighten it down with your hand, snug it down with the wrench, and that's it. But I hope this helps somebody out, man. Here's the part number again. That's how I got it out. I already got it replaced. I got the set came with 4 bolts. I put 2 of them on. I got 2 extra ones that work good for the video. So yeah, but there you have it, man. That's how I fixed the oil cooler bolt issue. Hope this helps somebody out. And if it do, you know, if you watch the video, man, please subscribe, man. Please like the video, please, man. It's absolutely free, man. It's absolutely free, man. All car guys is just trying to, if we on here, man, more than likely we trying to find a solution to a problem, man. I'm trying to offer a solution, so I hope this helps somebody out, man. So please like, subscribe, stay tuned in with all the content, especially if you got 99 to 06 Silverado Sierra, Avalanche, you know, Suburban Tahoe, all that 9906 gang, man. You really need to tap into this channel, man. But yeah, man, that's all I got for y'all, man, and thanks for watching.